Senegal's Constitutional Council has ruled that Parliament's unprecedented postponement of a February 25th presidential election was not in line with the Constitution. And that's pitched the country into a new phase of electoral uncertainty. These uncharted political waters were first entered when President Macky Sall announced a decree to postpone the vote.
J'ai signé le décret.
He said a dispute over the candidate list and alleged corruption within the Constitutional Council would undermine the credibility of the poll. That triggered widespread unrest and raised international concerns that one of the remaining democracies in coup-hit West Africa was under threat. Last week, presidential candidates and lawmakers filed legal challenges to a bill approved by Parliament which delayed the vote to December and extended Sall's mandate. Critics had called it an institutional coup. Now the Constitutional Council has decided that the postponement law was contrary to the Constitution, according to its minutes on Thursday. It also ruled that Sall's decree be cancelled.
Pour ma part,
The presidency and government did not reply to requests for comment on whether they would accept the ruling. All eyes are now on Sall. The council did not specify when the election should be held, which means it's up to Sall to set a reasonable date if he abides by the council's decision.
There's only one date.
That's according to presidential opposition candidate Anta Babacar, who welcomed the ruling as good news.
We're not postponing.
Any rejection of the decision would risk further fanning public outcry. Last Friday and Saturday, 3 people died in clashes between protesters and police.